Mike.
I'm Laura.
We are Match
Made in Heaven.
And I am not doing the laundry, Laura. Why am I in the laundry room?
Well, because we have a video for you. For you.
All right. What are we going to do?
We moved some kitchen cabinets because we're going to end up selling them anyway. We moved kitchen cabinets into the laundry room, and this video is just to show you a pretty cool idea that you can use to get your cabinets level without having to hold them and screw them at the same time.
Well, you do have to hold them.
Right, but
you don't have to grunt when you're holding them.
It makes it a whole lot easier.
There was no grunting involved, other than to pick it up, and then for the long leveling.
And there may have been some fussing.
But that's not in the videos. That's been edited out. But thanks for watching, guys. If you like, I hope this helps you. If you were remodeling some kitchen, we didn't have cabinets before in our laundry room. I think they look excellent, by the way.
I like the cabinets better.
And the paint, I love the paint. And that's the goal, was reuse some kitchen cabinets in the laundry room where we didn't have them before, and show you how to mount them and move them easily. So I hope it helps. Thanks for watching. Match Made in Heaven. Throw us a comment. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Click the little bell icon for future awareness of our videos. But we enjoy doing this and have a lot of fun as we work together around the house and capturing some of these projects. Have a great, blessed day.
Bye. Right now, as you can see, I have an open shelf that was put up here when we moved in.
It's got a lot of caulk on it too.
Wonder why. So we have this open shelf, and I don't want an open shelf because I don't like to see all the clutter. If you remember, over here we had the hot water tank that we moved downstairs to the garage. So that gives me a little more room. And then this area right here, there were 4 more open shelves. And again, I didn't like that and the clutter, so we took those down. So our plan is, since we're redoing the kitchen, we are going to take these cabinets here, these 2, and we're going to remove them from this wall, and we're going to move those to over top of the washer and dryer. So I'll have closed space storage, which is what I want. So we're just reusing what we're taking out of the kitchen to save a little money.
All right, we wanted to go ahead and put a coat of drywall mud on. The shelf was securely connected to save the so it took a few minutes to pry bar it off, and we damaged some things. We expected that, but smooth things out before we put any cabinets on this wall. Good job, Laura.
Thank you. I have a T, 2 2x4s we made a T out of.
All right.
For Tammy.
For Tammy? No, that's not what we made it. What did we make the T for?
We made the T so that you could install cabinets by yourself with little help from me.
All right. So just a little trick there. A little 2x4, 3-inch screws at the top. Pretty strong now. And then what that allows me to do is take it, and that's the height we wanted. So then it allows us to put it up against the wall, of course get it level, and then I can get a cabinet and I can set it on that, and then all Laura has to do is simply keep it against the wall, keep it on the 2x4 structure, the T, and then it's easier to mount. So we use this to mount these 2 cabinets, guys. Looks a lot better. These came out of the kitchen, and all we did was, like I said, that T was under there. We set that guy on. We marked our studs, And in this case, the stud was right on the power outlet, straight up, you can see. And then we put our screws in. And then we got one on the side there. So this little invention here will save you lots of effort and muscle work. And then it makes them level. Laura, get the level there and hold it up underneath those two going across, just to prove that it will work in this case. If you level them up, you can see we're level there going across. And we put them flush against the walls. Now this guy over here, this wall was a little curved, so he is not as tight. But again, humans and walls and 2x4s turn over time, don't they, honey?
Yes.
You learn that when you start working on houses, that 2x4s will turn.
Yes, and then we'll put floating shelves between the two, open shelving.
And I think we've got a YouTube video where we did some floating shelves in our bathroom, but that's what Laura's got in mind there in the middle. It's going to look awesome, Laura. One thing, too, that Laura's, I think, talked herself into was the trim at the top of these cabinets.
Yes.
You can see that's where it came from, the kitchen. We took them off right here. We got some painted walls there, and we found some previous homeowners didn't even finish their drywall when they hung these cabinets. Don't matter, because it was covered with the cabinets. But that trim was on them up here, and Laura likes them better without the trim, and I do too, because we've already got the crown molding at the top, and it takes attention away from that crown molding install when you've got that same trim at the top. So there you go, guys. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. By the way,
Don't forget to check out our merchandise on Teespring.
appreciate your support. Have a great day.